lot of people. You. Hey, what's up? You just got that train?
Yeah.
Where are you going right now? You're going to a friend? You mind if I walk with you? I'm actually going this way also. Lauren, nice to meet you. I'm Kobe.
Nice to meet you.
What are you doing late at night?
I'm actually meeting my boyfriend.
Oh, you have a boyfriend? Oh, man. All right, I'm going to leave you alone. You have a good night tonight with your boyfriend. Take care. Actually, one more thing. Before you go. I know you have a boyfriend, whatever, but just your Instagram. You can put your Instagram. That's just normal.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll just get your Instagram. No, just as friends. That's it. Oh!
The jet's leaving in 20 minutes. We have to go.
The jet's going in 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes. Hurry up.
Oh, man.
You have a jet?
Yeah, we're just here on business, but we're going to Miami and then we're coming back here later because we have a meeting in New York.
Okay.
You want to come? If you want to come, I mean, you said you have something to do or whatever?
Do you really have a jet?
Yeah, you want to see? I'm not even lying. You come for the ride, you see the jet, and then you can decide what you want to do. And then if you don't like it, if you don't like the jet or whatever, you come back. Okay? Perfect. All right. So, I have a jet that, you know Morristown, the Morristown Airport?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we always fly in. This is my manager. So how big is the deal we're dealing with? 1.2 mil?
1.2 million, yeah.
And the cash up front is 200K, right?
Yes.
Oh, this is it. This is the airport. You still think it's a joke? I'm serious, you ready? You see that jet right there, right? You're gonna be outside, I'm gonna be with my hand through the window, and you're gonna get like a sick pic, right? Sick. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna open this up. Wait, get the picture. Go a little further back. Get the picture. You ready? Actually, I don't do jet niggas. You're not coming in my jet. Get her up. She's not supposed to. Get her up. She's not supposed to be here. She's not supposed to be here. You gotta get her up. I don't know you. I don't know her. She's not coming in. She's not coming in. She canceled on her boyfriend to come in the jet. She's not coming in. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to check out Alexander Bach. He's the one who hooked me up with the jet. Big thank you to him. You can click on the screen. Also, make sure you check out my Snapchat. I post all the behind the scenes on there at coby persin. And we'll see you guys next week with a new video.